Okay, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jukka Haho. I'm working as a product manager in Vertex Systems, and I'm your host today together with you. Could you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Petri Mokkari and I work as a product owner for Vertex Sync product in Vertex Systems.
Okay, thank you for joining us today. We are very excited to walk you through some significant updates regarding our Sync platform. Today's session focuses on two main topics: our brand new Microsoft 365 integration and introduction of the new Vertex Sync license. These updates are designed to streamline your document workflows and make collaboration more flexible than ever before. But before we dive in, a few practical infos related to that webinar. You can submit questions at any time during the presentation using the question section there. And we will go through those questions during the Q&A session at the end of the webinar, after the presentations. Then couple of words about the videos. The presentation includes a couple of videos which will appear in a separate pop-up window. If you have trouble hearing the video during the videos, please check your settings and try to switching your speaker output. Next slide, please. What is then Sync? Vertex Sync is our shared project workspace. Its primary job is to bridge the gap between the design office, the factory, and the construction site. By keeping everyone on the latest drawings and 3D models, we ensure that decisions are always based on the real-time data, keeping your projects aligned and error-free. Today we are excited to introduce two major updates to that system and make the collaboration even smoother than ever before. Petri, the stage is yours.
Thank you. First of our updates is a new Microsoft 365 integration with Vertex Sync. From the version 1.5, Vertex Sync released on Monday, 26th January 2026, you can use Microsoft 365 documents directly from Sync. Editing and creating Microsoft documents requires Microsoft 365 business subscription, but viewing those in the Sync, you don't need Microsoft subscription. Small video about our new integration.
Vertex Sync is our cloud collaboration tool for the building industry that connects designers, clients, manufacturers, and builders into one secure platform. Vertex Sync has a new, exciting Microsoft 365 update for your workflow. Building projects usually involve many documents, including design guidelines, specifications, spreadsheets, surveys, and contracts that teams need to share, organize, and edit together. Now you can work seamlessly with Word, Excel, or PowerPoint documents directly from Vertex Sync. Here is a quick run-through on how to get started. Existing and new users can either enable a Microsoft 365 integration when they sign in or through their account settings. When you want to upload files into Vertex Sync, you press the plus button and choose Import. Your document is instantly categorized under the building project it is related to. Dragging and dropping files is also an option. Creating Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files is also easy. Simply choose what kind of a document you want to work with, and the editor opens directly in your browser. Vertex Sync saves time by storing notes, reports, and presentations into a clutter-free platform. Everything related to your building project is easy to access and edit by everyone involved. Vertex Sync allows for real-time collaboration, meaning several users can work on the same document at the same time. Documents can also be viewed on mobile devices. All modifications are updated in real time. If you're using Word, Excel, or PowerPoint in your building projects, use Vertex Sync to collaborate and keep your data all in one place. Find out more on our website.
Same time with Microsoft 365 integration, we introduce new improved brush button for our user interface. Uploading new documents is more easy than ever before. And
please share your screen.
So sorry, my screen is now available. As I said, with new plus sign, uploading files is more easier than ever. And same time, creating new Office documents are just one click. Now I can show how easy it works with new Vertex Sync integration with Microsoft 365. Here is our Vertex Sync user interface. First thing is to set that the organization administrator can turn on the integration. One switch. Then each and every user have their own option to set that they have Microsoft 365 license. Edit, off, on, and that's it. Easy. Now I can go to example project. Here I have one project which has two different PD buildings, but also all the other documentation needed for the building project be successful. Most of these documents in this example are Office documents. I can open design coordination meeting notes in Word like this. I don't need to download the document separately and then open. Just one click to open. I go back and creating a new Office document for this project. I have several options. Uploading file, one click. Client wish list, for example, a Word document, and save. Now I have uploaded a new client wish list document in the Sync. And from that on, I can open it in Word and start editing and adding new requirements or anything else. For example, kitchen needs to be open plan. All the changes are automatically saved. If I need to make a totally new document, plus sign, and for example, again, Word document, and I can start writing directly. New document. And content could be anything there. Again, everything is already saved. And the document is there, available for everyone. Now I switch to another browser for just to demonstrate you how another user can see the same document and same time design or editing the documentation. For example, you can see another user screen that the same modifications are real-time available. Simple and easy. These all are just same features you already have and used to with Microsoft 365. Okay. Then the next issue, new license level. We introduce a new license level for Vertex Sync users. Our current Vertex Sync license is automatically upgraded for Vertex Sync Pro, which is designed for all the CAD users. But new Vertex Sync license is designed for all those people who need the same documentation and same information as the old CAD designers, but they don't need that CAD integration. So we introduce a Vertex Sync license, which is basically everything else but the CAD integration. Short video about that.
Vertex Sync is a shared project workspace that keeps design, manufacturing, and on-site teams working from the latest models, drawings, and documents, so decisions and work stay aligned. With our new license options, staff who don't use design software can use the more affordable Vertex Sync license, while designers choose Vertex Sync Pro for seamless integration with Vertex BD. Both Vertex Sync licenses include core features: a viewer for examining 3D models and drawings, the ability to work in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, as well as cloud collaboration tools for uploading and sharing project data from anywhere on any device. When you stop working from disconnected folders and email chains, and everyone works from Vertex Sync, you get fewer stoppages from incorrect revisions and faster turnaround. With Vertex Sync Pro, design teams can publish buildings and documents from Vertex BD straight to Vertex Sync. Keep everyone on the latest models and drawings without manual exports, and manage customer-specific design environments in one controlled space. Unlike generic cloud services, Vertex Sync is purpose-built for the building industry to keep your projects up to date all the way from design through manufacturing and to the finished building. Current Vertex Sync customers are automatically upgraded to the Pro tier. Contact our sales team for a demo tailored to your needs. Find out more on our website.
So basically that was all the main features we would like to introduce today. Now it's time for all the questions you may have. Thank you.
There's the one question that can I share the documents with the link for end customer, for example?
Yes, Sync has a share function. You can share a document for end customer, and in case of Microsoft 365 document, the end customer is able to read that too in Vertex Sync.
And there was the question about that if you have the documents in Network Live, you already showed it, but is it possible to link Network Drive files, or how it works? Basically, I think that's the question, quite natural that you need to upload it to service to get it work properly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Basically, if you currently using some network storage system or something like that, the best thing is to upload those files to Vertex Sync and start to use Sync. Then all the files are safe in cloud, available 24/7.
So far, we don't have more questions. Is there some details you like to tell more, or Petri, or shall we continue?
No, one detail about those one question came about revision handling and ROC and access management with Microsoft 365 documents. Vertex Sync has access control, revision management system, and all those work with Microsoft 365 documents too. So basically, if you are revised a Office document, for example, the older revision is logged against modifications. So users can still view the document, but they cannot do any changes, for example, for old revisions. And same with if you are, as a user, want to log something against modifications, then the other users can still open those documents in MS 365, but they cannot do any changes or modifications. So this integration is fully compatible with our current access and logging systems and such like that. Those.
That's great. So everything working as you used to already
Yes.
work if you are the existing Sync customer, and that's also good news for all the new customers as well, new users as well. Okay, let's go forward. Next slide, please. So you can find out more information about the Sync from our documentation hub. There's the Sync documentation portal, can be found from that address shown there on the screen. And also, if you need technical support, you can contact our service desk. And we have also YouTube channel, and from there you can find also some Sync videos as well, together with Vertex PD videos. Next slide. Next webinar will be in February. Then we tell all the new features we have in Vertex PD in this major this year upgrade, and then also the latest Sync new features of the Sync as well. Please join. And if you are interested to know more about our softwares and Sync and Vertex PD, don't hesitate to reach out to our sales team, and you can find out our sales team contact information from vertexcat.com/contacts. Thank you very much for joining today. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.